now is, what is today? April 4th? Oh.
Heidi's birthday today.
Heidi's birthday
Happy
today.
birthday, Heidi.
Oh, we still gotta give her
We
an
told her
envelope.
happy birthday when it was the
Yeah, happy birthday. She's 19 today.
19 years old.
Oh man, I remember when I was 19, I was trying to stay out of jail is what I was trying to do. Running from the police. Here he is. Anyway, we're heading out. Where we going, Bill? Where we going? Where we going, Bill? Where we going, Bill?
Japan!
Oh, Japan now.
We're gonna see some Japanese.
We're gonna look at some. We're gonna look at some Japs. No lie, Bill. We're gonna look at some Japs. Nah, I'm Japanese,
Japanese.
so I can say
Oh,
that.
we don't need to go. We got one right now.
Never been Japan, but I have things that I can show you that I can prove I'm Japanese. Okay. Anyway,
They're gonna love you.
leaving Honolulu. Today is an overcast day. Look like they're gonna get a drenching this week. They like that in Hawaii to get rain so they can go to the beach and put up a tent and go swimming. Okay.
Water the plant.
Oh, Noniwana
Isn't this
plants.
beautiful?
Yeah.
You know what that plant is called?
What?
Manila Lady.
Wow.
It's an orange bougainvillea. It's
Ooh, we never know that till
Orange
now.
bougainvillea.
We never know that till now.
because when they was doing the St. Jude Church.
Oh, look, we got city and county crews coming out. Oh, we get landslide. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. It's the only time these guys will come out and get landslide. Oh, no, they're just cleaning the drain. Bill is checking his bananas. How's your bananas, Bill? You still get your bananas?
Yes, we have no bananas. Oh, we have bananas.
Bananas.
We have no bananas today. You ever heard that song, honey? No. Okay. We have bananas.
Yes. Aloha.
They got milk
We
there?
are. Honolulu. Oh no! What is the name of this airport now? Come on! This is not a test. Huh?
Oh, wrong.
Wow! The light bulb. You see the light bulb? The thing went beep. Went on. Daniel K. Inouye Airport.
Is that a guy?
Oh, they're again, Janice and Eric. All right, yay! We're waiting for Ken. Hello. So what are we doing? Bill is sticking out some more coupons. He's gonna use them in Japan. Wow, Japanese coupons, look.
Here we
All
go.
written in Japanese.
The city by the bay. What is the answer?
San Francisco.
The city was named for Saint Anthony of Padua.
Yeah. San Francisco.
All the answers start with San, Santa, Saint, or Saint.
Santa Maria.
San Antonio.
We get over here, Janet. Then we get over here. We get over here, Mr. Airplane. Hey, Mr. Airplane.
Nice weather.
Yeah, we got Mr. Nice Weather is coming around. All right, so we're gonna get ready for board this big jet pretty soon. And pretty soon we're gonna be playing around inside of the sakura flowers. Yay! You get Cindy over here. Here we are getting ready to depart to Kansai from Daniel Inouye International Airport. Okay, here we go. We're coming out from the eastern part of Honolulu International because we're going to be heading into Asia. We're going to be heading to Japan. drive area right here. Okay, we boarded the plane at 2:20 local Honolulu time. Time now on my watch is 3:37 local Pacific time, so that would give it 1 hour and 17 minutes before they fit us. And the food looks okay. I got another diet or Coke Zero. They're giving us some purified Hawaiian drinking water. They even shaped the cookie like the sakura blossom. Let's see what we have to eat here. They didn't ask us for options, so I'm thinking everybody's got the same thing. But it's pretty impressive on how fast they fed us here. I mean, I'm sure it's not going to be steak and lobster, but wow, look at that. That looks pretty good. It's some kind of a chicken and rice and vegetable. This is cold, so that's a potato salad. So let me go ahead and get my utensils out and go ahead and try this out. Looks like some kind of a chicken and a gravy. Wow. It's got kind of an oriental flair to it. Looks like they put some shoyu and sugar in the chicken with some gravy. It's pretty good. And then they got these mixed vegetables, kind of like Hawaii style. Good. Wow. I'll open up the salad now. Okay, here's that potato salad. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. The potato is not overcooked. It's got kind of a relishy taste. The real local kind potato salad doesn't have relishy taste. This is geared for the Hawaii guy. Aloha. Photo mode.
Sakura.
GoPro photo mode.
Oh, so I think the sun is coming up. Almost to Japan. Almost. The sun is rising. Long flight. Okay, bye bye.
We are in 26A and B. Let's go find our partners. We are coming over. Here's the bathroom. Okay, here we go. This is our partners in crime. Yeah, the partners in crime. What was the favorite movie you had? What was the favorite movie you had? Favorite movie?
Let me eat your pancreas.
Oh my gosh, I need to go watch that. That's gross. They are in 30 a.m.
Victoria and Abdul. Victoria and Abdul.
Oh, I'm happy for you. Okay, see you guys on the ground. We're gonna eat some balut and monkey brains. See, everybody gets to watch all kinds of different programming. So here we are. Oh boy.
We're here at the Kansai airport. It's dark, nighttime now. Okay, bye.